When you drop the thinking mind into the body, what can recognize the ever-changing nature of experience? This is insights from Soma Clear Light Practice Manual. Number 4. Clarity. Even when you close your eyes and there is nothing but darkness, what is it that can know the darkness? Clarity is the knowing quality of awareness. Like a mirror reflecting everything, clarity is always present, even when there is dust covering the surface of the mirror. You don't need to add clarity. It's already there. It's that quality of awareness that can know or recognize. Follow for day 5.